Okay, friends, welcome to IACE. So, friends, today we are going to discuss RRB Officer Scale 1 Prelims Grandest number 54 Reasoning Explanation. So, friends, take your first question. Question number 1 to 5. Friends, check it. Certain number of persons were seated in a linear row facing north. The information about only few of them is known. Not more than 25 persons are seated in the row. Leave it. 5 persons are seated between A and F. Now, friends, check it. Between A and F, 5 members. Between A and F, here we are having 5 members. Check it. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different spot here F A and F 5 members, otherwise F and A 5 members. F 1, 2, 3, 4 different 5 different spot A. Next one. The next point is one C was seated second right of F. C was seated second right of F. Now for A first right second right is spot C. For A first right second right is spot C. C was seated second right of F. Next one. Two persons were seated between C and D. Now friends here C 1 to D chance. Next one is what? C 1 to D also chance. Now friends here C next 1 to D chance. Otherwise C 1 to this one is what? Here D here also chance. Now C next 1 to D here chance. Now next one is what? C 1 to D here also chance. Between C and D here we are having two members. Next number of persons sitting between A and B was 2 less than number of persons who are seated to the right of C. So friends, okay, number of persons sitting between A and B was 2 less than number of persons sitting to the right of C. Suppose friends, okay, between A and B, next one is part right of C. Right of C 4 members means between A and B 2 members. Y means 2 less than. If right of C 5 members means between A and B 3 members. Y means 2% less than. Yes, leave it. Next point. B was seated to the right of A. B is right of A. Yes, leave it. Next point. Two persons between A and E. Between A and E, here we are having two members. Number of persons seated to the left of E is same as number of persons sitting to the right of D. D and F are not immediate neighbors. Now, D and F are not neighbors. Previously, between C and D, two members. C and D, two members. But D and F are not neighbors. Now, D and F are not neighbors. Yes, leave it. Next point. Four persons were seated between B and C. Between B and C, we are having four members, but B is right of A. See here, B was right of A. Then for C, 1, 2, 3, 4 different spot. Here, B. In this case, number of persons sitting between A and B is 2 less than number of persons sitting to the right of C. Right of C, how many persons here we are having? 5 members. Between A and B, 2 members less than means compulsory we are having 3 members. Between A and B, there is no person, then simply this possibility is wrong. This one is wrong. Now take next point. See here. Next between B and C, here we are having four members. Here we are having four members. Now C 1, 2, 3, 4 B chance. Now C 1, 2, 3, 4 B here also chance. That means for that one there is chance to get two possibilities. There is chance to get two possibilities. Now friends, check here. I will take here. Now take here A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different spot. F 1 C 1 2 different spot. Here D different spot D. Now between B and C, four members. C 1, 2, 3, 4 different spot B. Now C 1, 2, 3, 4 different spot. Here B different spot B. Yes. Now friends, our requirement is what? Number of persons sitting between A and B. Number of persons sitting between A and B is 2 less than number of persons sitting between A and B is 2 less than number of persons sitting to the right of C. Between A and B, how many persons here we are having? 2 members. Then right of C here we are having 4 members. 1, 2, 3, 4 members. Right of C 4 members means between A and B 2 less than. That means here we are having 2%. Yes. Next, in this case, between A and B, how many persons we are having? 3. Next 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. So friends here, between A and B 12 members means then right of C here we are having 14 members. Right of C 14 members. Then 2 next 4 next one is part 5. That means here we are having 9 members. Here we are having 9 members. Yes, leave it. Next point. For next point is what? Two persons sit between A and E. Friends, check it. Two persons are sitting between. See here. Two persons are seated between A and E. Between A and E, two members. A 1 to here E, no chance. Now A 1 to different spot here E. Between A and E, here we are having two members. Here we are having two members. Next, in this case, between A and E, here we are having two members means A 1 to E chance. Next one is what? A 1 to E here also chance. Here also chance. Yes. Next one. For next point is what? The number of persons sitting to the left of E. See, left of E is same as right of D. Is same as right of D. Right of D, one member. Left of E also one member. Now, if I take a right of D, in this case, how many persons here we are having? 9, 10, 11 members. Then left of E also 11 members. That means if I take here A, here 11 members and here 11, in that place 11, 12, between again here we are having 5, 6 members. That means more than 25. That means this possibility, no chance. That is the only answer. Yes. Take question number 1. How many persons were seated to the left of D? Left of D, how many persons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. Question number 1, option A. Question number 2. If J was seated exactly in the middle of the row, then what is the position of F with respect to J? J is exactly middle. J is exactly middle. How many persons here we are having? Left of D 15 means now 17 members. Totally here we are having 17 members. 17 members exactly middle means what? 17 by 2. That means 90 place. That means here 90 place. So friends, check here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 90 place. This one is what? J. See left of here we are having 8 members. Right check once 3, 6, 8 members. Yes. J is exactly middle of the row. J is exactly middle of the row. Then what are the position of F with respect to J? Position of F with respect to J. First right, second right. Answer is what? Second to the right. So question number 2, option C. Question number 3. If M was seated immediate left of D. M was seated immediate left of D. Friends check it. M was immediate left of D. Take different spot. Here M was seated immediate left of D. Now question is what? M was seated immediate left of D. How many persons are seated between B and M? Between B and M, how many members? Now M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members. Yes. So answer is what? 6 member. Question number 3. Answer is option B. Question number 4. Number of persons sitting between A and B is same as. Between A and B, how many persons we are having? 2 members. A and B, 2 members. Yes. Now A and B is what? 2 members. A and B is what? 2 members. Now check here. What are the given options? C and F. Between C and F, how many persons? One check here. C and F. Between C and F, only one member, no chance. C and F, only one member, no chance. Next, D and F. Between D and F, how many persons here we are having? D and F, one check here. Here we are having 4 members. Here we are having 4 members. Next, B and E, one check here. B and E. B and E, here we are having 5 members. Here we are having 5 members. F and E, check once. F and E. 3, 6, 8 members. F and E is what? Here, 8 members. Next, B and F, one check. Here, B and F. B and F, how many persons here we are having? 2 members. Here we are having 2 members. Yes. Now, here we are having 2 members. So, number of persons sitting between A and B is same as. Between A and B, 2 members. Now, B and F also 2 member. Answer is what? Option E. Question number 5. If 2 persons were seated between K and F, which of the following statement is true? Now, between K and F, here we are having 2 members. Between K and F, here we are having 2 members. Now, F, 1 to different spot, K, no chance. F, 1 to different spot, here, K. Then which of the following statement is true? Which of the following is true? And yes. Now take here first one. D was second left of K. D is second left of K. One check here. No, K is facing north means D is second right of K. That means this one no chance. So D was second left of K, no chance. Next, other than given leave. C was seated immediate left of K. C is immediate left of K. C is immediate left of K. Yes, they are facing north means C is immediate left of K. Yes, answer is what? C is immediate left of K. So question number 5, answer is what? Option C. Question number 6. In the given arrangement, how many such numbers are there? Friends, take here numbers which are immediately followed. Followed means what? After by symbol. After by symbol. Immediately preceding. Preceding means what? Before. Before by letter. Now, number before letter after symbol. Number before letter, no. Number before letter after symbol, no. Number before letter after symbol, yes. Number before letter, no. Number before letter after symbol. Number before, no. Next, that means totally here we are having 2 pairs. Then question number 6, answer is option D. Question number 7. In the given arrangement, what the sum of all the numbers between plus and dollar? This one is what? Plus. Now this one is what? Here dollar. Sum of all the numbers. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. Next, 24, 25, 29. Yes, answer is what? 29. Question number 7, option A. Question number 8 to 12, here they again question is from sitting arrangement, leave it. 7 members A, B, D, E, K, L and U from 7 different countries among UK, Peru, Russia, India, US, Kenya and Brazil sits around a circular table facing toward the center. Yes. So friends, total here we are having 7 members. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 5. Definite spot 6, 7 members. Yes, leave it. All are facing toward the center. K said star right of person from Kenya. Now suppose friends take the funny spot here. Kenya, funny spot here. Kenya. First right, second right, third right spot K. K said star right of Kenya. Leave it. One person is between K and US. K1 US chance, K1 US also chance. That means there is chance to get two possibilities. Take here one more possibility. So here, total here we are having 7 members and total here we are having 7 members. Now this one is Kenya means Kenya means first right, second right, third right spot K. K is sitting third right of Kenya. Between K and so here, one person sit between K and person from US. Now K one person is funny spot US. Otherwise K one person is funny spot here US. Leave it. Next one. Next point is what? UV is tall left of person from US. UV is tall left of US. For US, first left, second left, third left is what? U. UV is tall left of US. For US, first left, second left, third left is what? U. UV is tall left of US. Next, A who is from Brazil sits immediate left of U. A is from Brazil, A is immediate left of U. U facing inside. Now, A is immediate left of U. A is from Brazil. Here A is immediate left of U and A is from Brazil. Next one. The next point is what? See here. A who is from Russia sits second left of L. E is from Russia sits second left of L. That means for E possibility is what? E here chance, E here also chance. E is second left of see here. E is from Russia sits second left of L. If I take here E is second left of L, no chance. This one is A. If I take this one is what? E is from Russia. E is from Russia. Sits second left of L. Now, E is second left of L and E is second left of L. But E is from Russia. E is from Russia. So, suppose if I take here E Russia and if I take here A Russia. Now, E is second left of L. Next, E is from Russia. Next, E possibility is for this one. If I take here A, E is second left of here L. No chance. This one is part A. Next, leave it. Next point. Next point is what? B is neither from Kenya nor from UK. So friends, remaining is what? For B, neither from Kenya nor UK. That means for B here, Kenya, no chance. This is the possibility for B. Now for B, Kenya, no chance. That means for B, only possibility is what? Friends, okay. This is the only possibility for B. This is the only possibility for B. Leave it. Next one. Person from India is immediate right of B. Person from India is immediate right of B and India is immediate right of B. So friends here, person from India is immediate right of B. B facing inside. Now, India is immediate right of B. In this case, India is immediate right of B. Immediate right of B. Next one. L is not from India, but in this case, L is from India. This possibility, no chance. Next one is what? Now remaining person is what? A completed K U L B. Remaining is what? A B. Next remaining is what? D. Remaining is what? D. Yes. Now remaining is what? See here. B is not from friends here. Kenya or UK. That means for UK here no chance. This is the possibility for UK. Now remaining is what? Peru. Remaining is what? Peru. Yes, this is the given arrangement. Take here question number 8. See here. Question number 8 is what? Who said star right a person from Peru? Person from Peru. First right, second right, third right is what? U. So question number 8 answer is option C. Question number 9. What is the position of L with respect to D? Position of L with respect to D. Immediate right. Answer is what? Immediate right. Question number 9. Option B. Question number 10. Dash seat second left a person from UK. Second left of UK here. K. India. Question number 10. Option D. Question number 11. Which among the following statement is true? K is from Peru. No. Person from UK says immediate right of E. UK is immediate right of E. No. Next. D is from UK. No. E is tall left of person from India. E is tall left of person from India. E is tall left of person from India. So facing inside. See here. For this one, answer is what? None is true. Answer is what? None is true. Question number 11. Option E. Question number 12. Person from dash sides, fourth right of B. Fourth right of B. First right, second right, third right, fourth right is what? E. Russia. So answer is what? Option C. Question number 12. Option C. Which of the following is the code for against in the code language? Against in the code language. Yes, friends, okay. Here we are having against. Here also we are having against. Here also we are having against. Next. So first line, third line, and first line, third line. One check here. So first line, third line, common information is against, common code is what? RK is there, RK is there. Next, ST is there, ST also there, MV is there, MV also there. That means three codes are same. One check whether three informations are same. Here, played, here also we are having played. Played is present in remaining lines. Match, match here, match here. Next, here also match. That means ST eliminated. ST eliminated. Why means ST is present in three lines. That means what the code for played means answer is what? RK, MV. Against is what? RK, MV. RK or MV. Answer is what? Option E. Option E. Either B or C. Answer is what? Either B or C. Question number 14. Which of the following word is coded as ST in the given language? ST is we already checked. Here ST first line, next, second line, next, last line. First line, second line, last line. Common information is what? Match, match, match. So answer is what? Match. So question number 14, option B. Question number 15. Which of the following is coded as PR? PR. Friends, check here. Here we are having PR. Here also we are having PR. Now check here. India. Here we are having India. Here also we are having India. Next. Next one is one. Friends, check here. Next, here also we are having India. That means no chance for India code. Next one. Here we are having own. Here also we are having own. Next. That means here only information is what? Own here in these two lines. Only information is own. Here only code is what? PR. Then answer is what? Own. Question number 15. Option A. Question number 16. What the code for? Word cup. Yes, one second. What the code for here? Cup. Cup is present in only this line. Cup is present in only this line. Yes. Now eliminate the codes. PR, PR eliminated. Next, UC also eliminated. AB, whether it is present? No. KM is present? No. That means answer is what? AB or KM. Answer is what? AB or KM. AB or KM means answer is what? Either A or B. Option D. Next one. Question number 17. Which of the following is the code for India, Australia in the given language? India. India is present in first line. Yes, friends, check here. First line. Next one. Second line. Next one is what? Third line. Now, first line, second line, third line. Common information is India. Then common code is what? Friends, RK not there. Next. ST. Next not there. UC. Here we are having UC. Here UC. Here also we are having UC. Then India code is what? UC. Next. Next one is what? India. Next one is what? Australia. Next one is what? Australia. So Australia is present in only fourth line. Only fourth line. Then eliminate the codes. Here RK eliminated. MV eliminated. ST eliminated. W1. That means answer is what? UCW1. UCW1. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 17. Option A. Question number 18 to 20. Friends, okay. Here the given is what? 7 friends PQRST U and V have birthday on the same date of the same year, but on 8 different months, but not necessarily in the same order. Their birthdays fall on January. Friends, take first one is what? Here. January. See, January. Next. February. Next one is what? March. Next one is what? March. Next. April. Next one is what? May. Next one is what? Here. June. Next. July. Next last one is what? August. Last one is what? Here. August. Now friends, check it. January month having 31 days. Next 28 are 29 days. Here March 31 days. Here April 30. Next May is what? 31. Next June 30. July 31. August 31. Yes, leave it. Next one. No one has a birthday in one of the month. That means how many months they given? They given 8 months, but they given only 7%. That means no person having birthday on 1 month. Leave it. That means 1 month is empty. 1 month is empty. Leave. Are born in the month which has less than 31 days. So less than 31 days means now R possibility is what? Feb chance, April chance, June also chance. Leave it. Next. P was born just before R. P was born just before R. Next. P was born just before R but not eldest. That means P is not eldest. For R, take care. R does not born in the month contain 31 days. That means if I take for R here chance, next April chance, next June also chance. If I take your R means what? This one is what? P. P was born just before R, but P is not the eldest. The one who born in first, that person is eldest. That means P is eldest, no chance. Suppose if I take the one is what? R. Now the one is what? Here P chance. Otherwise, if I take this one is what? R. This one is what? Here P chance. This one is what? P chance. Yes. That means there chance to get 2 possibilities. Leave it. Next one. Friends, check here. No person was born between R and U. no person was born between R and U. That means R and U both are immediates. R and U both are immediates. Otherwise, there is chance to take 1 month gap also. Why means in 1 month there is no person was born. 1 month no person was born. Yes. So the next one is what? No person was born between R and U. That means here R and U are immediates. If I take R and U are immediate, no person was born. If I take this one is empty. Now this one is U. Between R and U, no person was born. That means here we are having possibilities only. Here R and U are immediate neighbors. R and U are immediate neighbors. Otherwise, if I take 1% gap, this one is in this month no person was born. Here chances. Here also same. Here also same. Leave it. Next one. Next point is what? Once again. QA is L10. Yes, that means Q was born before. Yes, leave it. Number of months between number of months between U and S. Number of months between U and S is same as between U and V. That means here UV is here. US equal to UV. That means for S and V common is what? U. That means UV is between S and V. Compulsory. UV is between S and V. Leave it. Next one. Not more than 4 months are there between T and Q. Leave it. One person is born in January. No person is born between Q and S. Next, who born after you? That means S born after you. S born after you. Friends, S born after you and S is after you. S is after you. Suppose. Friends, our requirement is what? No person was born between R and U. No person was born between R and U. Suppose R. This one is what? R. I will take this one is what? In this month, there is no person was born. There is no person was born. Then I will take this one is what? Here, U. This one is what? U. So friends, again, no person was born between R and U. No person was born between R and U. Now, but S was born after U. No chance for this possibility. Next, suppose no person was born between R and U means now I will take R and U both are immediates. R and U both are immediates. But S is after U. This one is what? Yes. S is after U. Yes. But our condition is what? Number of months between UVS is same as UV. UVS, there is no month. UV also no month. No chance. That means this possibility is wrong. This possibility is wrong. Now, between R and U, friends, okay, no person was born between R and U. That means R and U both are immediates. R and U both are immediates. Otherwise, if I take this one is what? No person was born. This one is what? No person was born. That means this one is what? Now, U1. This one is what? Here, U. Now this one is U means between. The given is what? See here. Our requirement is what? S was born after U. S was born after U. S was born after U means now this one is what? Here. Yes, this one is what? Yes, suppose. Now UVS equal to UV. Number of months. UVS no months. Now UV also no month. Why means here no person was born. Suppose if I take this one is what? U. Now 1% gap I will take here. Yes. So between U and V, how many months here we are having? 1 month. Then sorry, U and S, how many months here we are having? 1 month. Then U and V also 1 month. U 1 month, V no chance. That means here R and U both no person was born between R and U means there is chance to take R and U are immediate neighbors, or there is chance to take no person was born. Why mean the given one is what? In 1 month no person was born. If I take that possibility, it is not coming. Then take care. Now I will take R and U both are immediates. R and U both are immediates. Now R and U both are immediates means now no person was born between R and U. No person was born between R and U. Now, next point is what? Friends, again. So, friends, again, for S and V, number of months between U and S is same as U and V. For S and V here, common is what? U. That means UV is compulsory. Mid of UV is compulsory. Middle of A. S and V. Now, suppose, friends, again, if I take here S and now between U and S, 1 month. U and V, 1 month, no chance. If S and U here take 2 months and take here 2 months. Between U and S, 2 months means now U and V is what? 2 months. Possibility or not? Now number of months between U and S is 2 months. Then U and V also here we are having 2 months. Here also we are having 2 months. Yes. Next one is what? Friends, okay. Next one more clue point is what? One person is sige. Not more than 4 persons are born between T and Q. Between T and Q, maximum we are having 4 members. Here we are having 4 members. Next. The given is what? One of the person is born in January. That means in January compulsory one person was born. January compulsory one person was born. That means in June and July one person will not born. One person will not born. Yes. Our requirement is what? Friends, okay. Q was born before yes. Q was born before yes. So friends, check here. Q is elder to S. If I take Q, this one is for Q. Q is elder to S. Q is elder to S. Here I will take no one was born. Here I will take no one was born. Yes. Q is elder to S. Next one is for remaining is for T. Remaining is for T. But for T, our requirement is for condition is for friends, check here. Not more than 4 months between T and Q. Between T and Q, maximum here we are having 4 months. Maximum here we are having 4 months. Yes. So friend, this is the given entire information. The given entire information. Yes. Now, friends, here our requirement one more point is what? No person was born between Q and S. Yes, friends, here between Q and S, here no person was born. That means here Q and S in this month there is no person was born and yes. This is the given entire arrangement. Now take here question number 18. Take here question number 18. See here. Question number 18 is what? In which of the following month no one was born? In which month? July month. Question number 18, option D. Question number 19, how many months between U and T? Between U and T, how many months are there? U and T, 1, 2, 3 months. Question number 19, option B. Question number 20, four of the following five are alike in a certain way. Based on their above arrangement, find which one is not belongs. So T was born, month contain 31 days. Month contains here 31 days. Next one, P month contains 31 days. Yes. S month contains 31 days. U 31 days. Q contains 30 days. That means which of the following is odd one out means answer is what? Option E. Question number 21. If L less than O is definitely true and L equal to O is definitely false, then what will come in place of the question mark in the given expression respectively? That means respectively. Suppose check here. Our requirement is what? L less than O is what? True. Next, L equal to O is what? False. Now, suppose. Often check here. For this one, simple logic is go through options and go through options. Suppose if I substitute first option here, less than. L less than O is true. Now, L equal to O is what? Definitely false. Yes. Then first option itself, it is satisfying. Yes. Then answer is what? Option A. Question number 21, option A. Question number 22. In which of the following expression will the expression L greater than P will be definitely false? Definitely false and definitely false. L and P greater than or equal to greater than P. This one is true, but our requirement is what? False. Now, friends, check here. L and P here equal to greater than or equal to greater than or equal. That means P is greater than or equal to L. That means here L less than or equal to P. They mention L greater than P. Then in this option it is definitely false. Yes. Then answer is what? Option B. Answer is what? Option B. If you are any doubt, check for remaining. Less than or equal to less than or equal less than P less than L greater than P. True. Next, L greater than P is also true. Then answer is what? Option B. Question number 22. B. Question number 23 to 24. So here, some persons are sitting in a beach. A sits 15 meter east of D. Now, A is 15 meter east of D. Next, G is 30 meter. G is 30 meter west of F. We don't know about F. F is 10 meter south of A. Now take here. F is 10 meter south of A. If you know about F, G is 30 meter west of F. Now, friends, check here. G is here. This one is part 15. Now this one is part here 15. G is 30 meter west of F. G is 30 meter west of F. Next, K sits 3 meter east of L. Don't know. Who sits? Who means what? L. L sits 15 meter north of G. L is 15 meter north of G. Friends, take here. L is 15 meter. This one is 10. This one is compulsory 10. Remaining is what? 5. L is 15 meter north of G. L is 15 meter north of G. Next one is what? K sits 3 meter east of L. Now, friends, here K is 3 meter east of L. K is 3 meter east of L. This is the given one. Take here question 23. If V is 15 meter south of K, now V is 15 meter south of K. V is 15 meter south of K. This one is what? Here V. Now, then what is the distance between V and F? Distance between V and F. This total is what? 15. This one is what? 15. Here how much completed? 3 completed. Remaining is what? Here 12. Distance between V and F. 12 plus 15, 27. Question number 23, option C. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and form a group. Which of the following is not belongs? Out of given 5, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? Now, KC. Now friends, check here. KC and How k is related to g means direction of k with respect to g is what? Here northeast. Answer is what? Northeast. Now k is northeast of g. Kf, kf and now k is here northwest. K is what? Northwest of f. See here for f east, west, north, south. K is northwest of f. Df, df. Now friends check here df and now d is northwest of f. D is northwest of f. First two person is northwest of second person. La, LA northwest of A. Next one, LF. L is northwest of F. Then first person is northwest of second person except option A. So which of the following is odd one out means option A. Question number 25. Friends, okay. 5% A to E are in different heights. Take a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, equal number of persons are taller and shorter than B. That means so equal number of persons are taller than B here, shorter than B. That means here B is middle. Next one, two persons are there between D and C. Next, friends, between D and C here we are having two members. Who is shorter than B? That means here C is shorter than B. C is shorter than B. Next, A is shorter than C. Now friends check it. Half and our requirement is what? Two persons are there between D and C. Next, C is shorter than B. That means B is taller than C. A is shorter than C. A is shorter than C. That means C is taller than A. That means B, C, this one is what? Here, A. Between C and D, two members. C, 1 to this one is what? Here, D. Remaining is what? Here, E. Question is what? Who is the second tallest? Second tallest is what? E. Question number 25, option D. Question number 26 to 30. 8 persons sitting around a circular square table such a way that 4 of them sit at the middle of the each side, 4 sitting at the see, 4 sit at the middle, next facing toward the center, rest sit at the corner, next facing opposite to the center. Yes. So friends, totally here we are having 8 members. Out of 8 members, 4 of them sitting at the corner, remaining 4 is sitting at the middle. Those one who are sitting at the corners are facing outside and middle is facing inside. Middle is facing inside. Leave it. Next, 8%, only 3 persons are have the 3 different cars. Kia, Tata, next BMW. Leave it. Next one. F is second right of H, but we don't know whether H is sitting at corner or middle. Take one possibility. H is middle, other possibility H is corner. Take one more possibility. Total here we are having 8 members. Next, 4 of them sitting at the corner, remaining 4 is at the middle. One who sits at the corners are facing outside and middle is facing inside. Now, H1 possibility is middle, other possibility is what? Corner. Now, F is second right of H. F is second right of H. In this case also, F is second right of H. Leave it. Next one. The one who has Kia sits far right of Q. Kia is far right of Q1. Kia is far right of Q. We don't know about Q. Leave it. One person sits between F and M. F, one person M, no chance. F, one person is funny spot. Here, M. Between F and M, one member. Now, F1, M, no. F1, this one is spot. Here, M. Between F and M, here we are having one member. Next. QV is far right of Y. QV is far right of Y. Leave it. Next one. G is not immediate neighbor of Y or M. Leave it. The one who has BMW, immediate neighbor of M. Next, immediate neighbor of Q does not have car. Neither F nor one who sits second right of F does not have cars. One person sits between K and B who does not have car. Q does not have any car. K does not sit at the corner of the table. That means here K is at middle of the table. In this case, K is at middle of the table. Middle means for K this is the only possibility. Now, here K is middle means here we are having more possibilities. Here we are having more possibilities. Now, take this point. Q is third right of Y. Now, take your Y anywhere. If I take your Y, QV is star right, no chance. If I take your Y, QV is star right, no chance. If I take your Y, QV is star right, no chance. If I take your Y, QV is star right, no chance. Then this possibility is wrong. Now, QV is star right of Y. QV is star right of Y. If I take your Y, first right, second right, star right, chance. If I take here, first right, second right, star right, no chance. If I take here, no chance. If I take here, chance. That means these are the possibilities for Q or Y, different is what? Y or Q. Now, if I take here, Q here, Y here means QV is star right of Y. If I take here Y here also, now QV is star right of Y. QV is star right of Y. Yes. Next point is what? Check here. See here, the one who has Kia, third right of Q1. Kia is third right of Q. So Kia is third right of Q. Q means if suppose here Q, here chance, next here also chances, leave it. Next, G is not neighbor of Y or M. G is not neighbor of Y or M. So G is not neighbor of Y or M means for G here no chance, here no chance. That means this is the only possibility for G. So friends, here G is not neighbor of Y means for Y here no chance. Then this is the possibility for Q. Now this is the possibility for Y. This is the possibility for Y. Now see here. Now this one is what here Q. This one is what here Q. Now this one is what here Y. This one is Y. Now Q is third right of Y. Yes, see here. Q is third right of Y. The one who has Kia third right of Q. Q first right, second right, third. This one is what here Kia car. Different spot Kia car. Yes, leave it. Next one. Friend, next point is what? Friend, check here. One person is between K and B. One person is between K and B. So one person is between K and B means for K and B, these two are the possibility. These two are the possibilities. Next one is what? Friend, check here. The one who has BMW is neighbor of M. That means BMW here chance, BMW here also chance. See here. For K and B, here K or B, different spot. B or K and B or K. Y means between B and K, one member. So BMW is neighbor of M. That means here chance, here also chance, here also chance. Immediate neighbor of Q does not have car. That means immediate neighbor of Q. Here BMW, no chance. Y means does not have car. This is the possibility for BMW. This is the possibility for BMW. Next one. For next point is what? Friends, here. One person is between K and B who does not. That means B does not have any car. That means here B does not have any car means for B here no chance. B here no chance. That means different spot. Here K. Now this one is spot. Here B. Different spot. B. Now different spot. Here K. Next. The next one is what? Immediate neighbors of B. Sorry. Immediate neighbors of Q does not have any car. Here no chance for car. Here also no chance for car. Next one. Next one is what? The one who has BMW completed. Next, neither F, the one who is second right of F has any car. F does not have any car. Second right of F, this person also does not have any car. Now, next one is what? Q does not have any car. For Q also does not have any car. That means remaining car possibility is what? Here H, remaining is what? Tata. Remaining is what? Tata. Yes, this is the given one. Now take care. First question number 26. See here. Who among the following person has BMW? Here K. Question number 26. Option B. Question number 27. Who among the following person sits a second left of B? Second left of B and B facing inside. First left, second left is for G. Question number 27. Option C. Question number 28. What is the position of F with respect to Q? Position of F with respect to Q1. Position of F with respect to Q. Now fourth left or fourth right. See with one. See for Q, first left, second left, third left, fourth left. Otherwise here fourth right. So fourth left. They given option B. Question number 28. Option B. Question number 29. Who among the following person has Tata? Who is having Tata here? H. Question number 29. Option D. Question number 30. 4 of the following 5 are alike. That means out of given 5, 4 is same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? Now F. F is at corner. F is at corner. Now H. H is at corner. Next Q. Q is at corner. M. M is at corner. K. K is at middle. That means answer is what? Option E. Y means remaining all are at corner, but K is at middle. Question number 31 to 33. Friends, check here. M at the rate N means what? N is mother of M. That means they given reverse. They given reverse. M hash N means what? N is father of M. Reverse. Percentage N means what? N is sister. This one also reverse. M star N means what? N is brother. This one also reverse. Yes, take it. Take first question number 31. Which of the following expression indicates K is not grand aunt of P? Now K is not grand aunt of P and K is not grand aunt of P. We should check each and every option and you should check each and every option. So friends, if we take a first option, first option is what? P at the rate M. At the rate M is what? Here. M is mother of P. Yes, friends, check it. M is mother of P. Next one. M hash N means what? N is father of M. N is father of M. Next one. N percentage K means what? K is sister of N. K is sister of N. Yes. Now in this case, K is not grand aunt. K is grand aunt of P. Then first option no chance. Our requirement is what? K is not grand aunt. Now go for second one. See here. P hash M. Hash M is what? M is father of P. M is father of P. Next one. M hash N. N is father of M. N is father of M. N percentage K is sister of N. In this case also K is grand aunt of P. Second one also no chance. Third one. P at the rate M. At the rate M is what? Friends again. M is mother of P. M is mother of P. Next one. M at the rate N. N is mother of M. N is mother of M. Next one. N percentage K. K is sister of N. K is sister of N. Now K is sister of N. In this case, how K is related to P means what? Grand aunt of P. Then this one also grand aunt. That means this one also no chance. Go for next one. Friends again. P at the rate M. P at the rate M is what? Now M is mother of P. M is mother of P. M percentage N is what? N is sister of M. N is sister of M. N percentage K. K is sister of N. How K is related to P here? Aunt. But our requirement is what? K is not grand aunt of P. Yes. Then answer is what? Option D. Question number 31. Option D. Question number 32. If F has T at the rate K, percentage L at the rate O, then how O and F are related? F has T. F has T means what? Now T is father of F. T is father of F. Friends check it. T is father of F. T at the rate K. K is mother of T. K is mother of T. Next. Next one is what? K percentage L. L is sister of K. L is sister of K. Next. L at the rate O. L at the rate O. That means here O is mother of L. O is mother of L. Now question is what? How O and F are related? How O and F are related? Now O is great grandmother. O is great grandmother. Yes, O is great grandmother of F. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 32. Option B. Question number 33. Which of the following expression indicates T is uncle of P? T is uncle of P. So friends, T is uncle of P means T is compulsory male. R star T means what? T is brother. That means here male. Percentage means what? Sister no. Here star means what? Chance. Percentage no chance. Here chance. That means check any three possibility there chance to get. Then check for first option. P has Q means what? P has Q. Q is father of P. Q is father of P. Q at the rate R means what? Here Q at the rate R. R is mother of Q. R is mother of Q. Yes. Next one. R star T means what? R star T means what? T is brother of R. T is brother of R. Check here. T is brother of R. T is uncle of P. No. T is grand uncle of P. First option, no chance. Go for third option. See here. How I eliminated second option means R percentage T means what? T is sister of R. That means here T is female. Our requirement T is uncle means what? T is male. Go for third option. P star Q. Star means what? Here brother. That means here Q is brother of P. Q is brother of P. Next one. P hash R. Hash means what? Father. That means R is father of. Sorry. Second option already eliminated. Third option. P star Q means what? Here Q is brother of P. Q at the rate R. Q at the rate R means what? R is mother of Q. R is mother of Q. Next one is what? Friends here. R is mother of Q. R star T means what? T is brother of R. T is brother of R. Now T is brother of R. In this case, how T is related to P means answer is what? Uncle. So simple answer is what? Option C. So question number 33. Option C. Question number 34 to 35. Take a 6 cities LB, GR, K and F have different lakes. City B has more number of lakes than a city G. Now friends check here. Total here we are having 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the given is what? City B has more lakes than G but have less than F. But have less than F. Leave it. Next one. Friends here. City F does not have maximum number of lakes. Now F maximum no chance. Next one. Only one city has less number of lakes than city K. Friends here. Only one city has less number of lakes than city K and less number of lakes than city K. See here. So less than city K. Here we are having only one city. Here we are having only one city. Now this one is what? K. Only one city has less number of lakes than city K. So city K less than here we are having only one city. Next. City L does not have least number of lakes. L does not have least number of lakes. Next one. G does not have least number of lakes. That means here G also no chance. Then F is more than B, B is more than G. So F here no chance. Then this one is what? F, this one is what? B, this one is what? Here G. Now F, B, G no chance. G does not have less. That means remaining is what? L does not have least means L having highest. Now remaining is what? LB, GR, Remaining is what? R. Remaining is what? Here R. Take your first question. Question number 34. Which city has max number of lakes? Here L. Question number 34. Option C. Question number 35. How many cities have less number of lakes than city B? Less than city B. 1, 2, 3. Then question number 35. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 36. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word? Here credible. Yes, friends, check here. CREDIBLE. Next, which has many letters between them in the English alphabet. Take here alphabetical form. C after C. Next one D E. Pair is matched. C D E F G H I J no. After R S T U V W no. After E F G H I J no. After D next E F G H no. After I J K L no. After B no. After L no. Forward here we are having only one pair. Take in reverse. E next F G see E F G H I J K L no. After L M N O P Q no. After B C D yes C D. Next one is what? Here E B to E. Next F G no. After I J K L M no. After D next one E. Next F friends no need to check more and then see here 1 2 3 reverse here we are having 3 forward we are having 4 here 4 means then simple answer is what more than 3 yes so answer is what simply more than 3. Question number 37 to 40 37 to 40 friends check here. Given one is what all pants are trousers. Before that they give one more statement. Take here. See here first statement is what some shirts are pants. Take here shirt. Some shirt is a pant, some shirt is a pants. Next, all pants are trousers, pants. These all pants are here trousers. Next, only few trousers are branded. Some trousers are branded. Some trousers are not branded. Some trousers are not branded. First conclusion: some shirts are trousers. Some shirt is a trouser. Yes, first one is true. Second one. All branded or pant is a possibility. All branded or pant is a possibility. Pant and branded relation is what we can't say. We can't say means here branded there is chance to keep here. All branded or pant is a possibility. Yes. Then answer is what both are true. Question number 37 option D both 1 and 2 follows. Question number 38 all roses are lotus. Friends check here rose. This all roses are here lotus. All are lotus. Next, no rose is a jasmine. No rose is a jasmine. Next, only few jasmine is a lily. Some jasmine is a lily. At the same time, some part of jasmine is not lily. Leave it. Take first conclusion. Some lotus can never be rose. Some lotus can never be rose. Friends, check it. The next one is part. Some lotus can never be. Can never means part here. Some not. Can never means part. Some not. That means some part of lotus is. Some part of lotus is not rose. Friends, we know some lotus is rose. Some part of lotus is not rose means. Now, first one is what? Wrong. First one is what? Wrong. Second one. All jasmine are lotus is a possibility. All jasmine are lotus is a possibility. We know no rose is a jasmine. That means the some part of lotus is not jasmine. Whatever remaining lotus and jasmine, we can't say. That means jasmine there is chance to keep within this part or not. Yes. Then all jasmine can be lotus. This no rose is a jasmine. Yes. This one is 2 1. This one is 2. That means answer is what? Only 2 follows. Question number 38. Answer is what? Option B. See here. Question number 39. Some scotch or whiskey. Friend check here. Scotch. Some part of scotch is a whiskey. Next one is what? Only few whiskey is a wine. Some whiskey is a wine. Some part of whiskey is not wine. Next, all wine is a vodka. All wine is a here vodka. Yes, leave it. Take first conclusion. Some wine are not whiskey. We know some whiskey is not wine. We can't say some wine is not whiskey. All vodka can be wine. We know some vodka is wine. All vodka can be wine means what? There is a chance. Yes. That means answer is what? Only second one. Only second one. Question number 39. Option B. Question number 40. No Britannia is Parle-G. F1 check here. Take here Britannia. No Britannia is here. Parle-G. Yes, leave it. Only few Parle-G are tiger. Some Parle-G is a tiger. Some part of Parle-G is not tiger. Some tiger is milk biscuit. Some tiger is a milk biscuit. Yes, leave. Milk bikes. Yes, leave. First conclusion. All tiger can be Britannia. All tiger can be Britannia. Friends check here. All tiger can be Britannia. We don't know Parle-G is Britannia. Here tiger is some part of tiger is not Britannia. All tiger can be Britannia, no chance. Next one. Some Parle-G are milk bikes. Some Parle-G is a Parle and milk bike. Friends, okay. This one is part Parle-G, this one is part milk bike. Relation is part can't say. Then answer is part both are wrong. Then neither one nor two. Question number 40, option E.